What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones Flight Academy, and today we're going to be talking about the new DJI Spotlight. It's called the Wingsland Z15. Why this is a very exciting spotlight to be able to use. It's another added way to be able to help for search and rescue and public safety agencies. What's exciting about it is it has the capability of plugging in to the camera port so that it's compatible with a regular RGB camera at night. Now, why is that important? Well, because without the spotlight, even the best camera, now this is an X7 camera that has much better low lighting capabilities than the X5, you're going to see even in a parking lot that is completely black, it's really hard to be able to get anything out of it. You're not going to be able to see anything in very low lit areas. So this is another great combination when maybe you don't have the money or the budget for a thermal camera and you want to be able to do some nighttime search and rescue. It's a nice alternative. And again, what's great about this is that you can sync both of these up together, so then when you want to tilt, they will both tilt at the same time, at the same rate, and the spotlight will stay down on the focus area of the camera. That's really nice. We really like that option. The spotlight has 3 different modes: normal, twinkle, and SOS. And as you can see, it lights up the area extremely well at night. Now, if we're going to keep this review honest and real, which we always try to do, we're going to tell you about the things that we're not too crazy about. One thing is, we don't think this is made out of the highest quality material. Now, one thing I can think of is that DJI is trying to keep this thing as light as possible for lightest payloads. However, when you're trying to use a Z30 and an XT2, those are very heavy payloads, and this can support that as well. So I'm not really thinking that might be a reason, other than they're just trying to keep costs down as low as possible. So the durability of this light, I'm sure if you take really good care of it, it should be fine. But also, on the other hand, what we're also seeing another issue is as right here, when I try to set up the balance point, this spotlight will not stay balanced if I let go. Watch, you'll see it actually just goes ahead and rolls off to the left. Just like that. No matter what I do, it does that. Now, at first, we thought it was just a bad spotlight, so we got another one in. It does the same thing. So then we got another one in. It does the same thing. Now, could they all be coming from the same batch, and maybe all the batches are bad? I'm not sure. We haven't gotten any confirmation from anybody that they're seeing any issues like this. So we're going to keep a close eye on it. We'll let you know if this is going to go ahead and be like this. Our main concern why this could be a potential problem is because if the roll motor has to compensate that much to keep this light balanced, obviously that motor is going to wear out prematurely and burn out. That's, at least in our opinion, from experience from a normal camera gimbal, how that needs to stay balanced. So that is a concern to us. But other than that, we think it's a very good light. It adds another dimension to public safety, search and rescue, which is obviously much better. We always like to see those kinds of things happen. So with that said, if you have any questions, please ask. Write us down some comments below. Send us a note, and if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. Help us grow the channel. We thank you again for your support, and we'll talk to you soon. If you like this video and like to see more free videos in the future, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And while you're at it, if you're interested in free lessons on how to fly drones, discounts on drone equipment, discounts on insurance, or access to our exclusive drone video library, check out our website, steelcityflightacademy.com.